Hello everyone. So I'm back again to give you this quick review of this beautiful multi-tiered fountain here. It has 4 tiers to it. You can hear, I don't know if you can hear the water, but this is really quiet and very peaceful to listen to. Very easy to set up. At the top there is a light up here and here. So in a dark room, it will be illuminated. It'll give that illumination and calming effect. Again, very easy to set up, very calming. It's even calming to look at while I'm making this video. Not too big, not too small. Great, great replacement for my old fountain that finally gave up the ghost and it died. But comes with a rock assortment, as you can see down here. Just beautiful. It's just so peaceful. I've got a place for it all set up, so it's great for meditation, anything of that nature, or just sitting back and just de-stressing. You want to just hear the waters flow, and this is just wonderful. So it's going to be 5 stars from me. I really do love this little fountain.
Está bonito, pero la caída del agua prácticamente no se escucha. Y bueno, mi intención era que se escuchara el agua, la caída del agua, pero no se escucha mucho.
It's extremely quiet. Expected to buy this for noise, but it's pretty quiet. Do not recommend. Not for noise, but for looks, it's okay.
This is the little water fountain.
Pajamas I'll be wearing tomorrow, and I'll keep them on since my new pajamas got
So cute.
cookie.
It's tiny, but it's cute.
Wait, what?
a nice fountain, I think. I like it.